is time to write our paragraph. So kia ora everybody, it is time to learn about how to write this thing called a topic sentence. So we're up to step number 6 now. Remember that we are not going to work on analysis in this series of tutorials, which is step 9. So we will actually be doing, instead of doing Texas, we'll be doing Texas, which is pretty much the same, except briefer. So we are focusing on the brief paragraph that I have there, the more simple version, not the very long one. Oh, it's just racing ahead of me. So here is our more simple paragraph. Juno trusts Vima. She poured it all out to Vima. This shows that she trusts Vima with all her secrets. This proves how important their relationship is. So let's break that down now. There's our topic sentence, our example, our explanation, and our statement. So let's have a look at our topic sentence. Very, very clear statement here. This paragraph is going to be about the trust that they have for each other. Now, some of you might be sitting there thinking, man, that's easy. I could do more complex than that. And then that's great. What I want you to do is, if you are finding this very straightforward, because remember this is the simple tutorial, if you're finding this straightforward, see what else you can add in there. And the way to do that, the way to sort of be inspired, if you like, is to go back, oopsies, and have a look at the longer topic sentence. Now, I'm not going to do this every time. I'm not going to do this in all 4 of the paragraph tutorials. But have a look at the topic sentence for the second paragraph there, the longer one. Juno and Vima quickly learned that the only people they can trust completely are one another. That says the same thing as Juno trusts Vima, but it sounds a heck of a lot better, doesn't it? So some of you might be prepared to give that a go and to try and write a more complicated, more informative sentence. But some of you will be at the point of just wanting to write something very, very straightforward, the absolute basics, and then checking it with me to make sure that you're doing it right, which is absolutely fine. You're in year 9. This is the first time you're doing this, so take it easy on yourself. Don't put a whole lot of pressure on yourself to be getting an excellence right from the beginning. That's virtually impossible. You should be aiming to make sure that you're ticking all of the boxes. Have you written your topic sentence? Have you got an example? Are you explaining it? So one step at a time, then we can go back and improve. So you now need to write your own topic sentence. Remember, yours is going to be completely different from mine because you might be talking about setting or ideas or themes or something else. And so if you're unsure after watching this of how to take this information and transfer it to your own essay, then your next step should be checking in with somebody else or coming and seeing me and saying, I don't get it. I don't see how this tutorial helps you with your completely different question. Okay, and that's totally fine because it is really hard in these beginning stages to see the connection but across the structure between all the different kinds of questions. But the more you do it, the easier it will become. So writing your own topic sentence, then you are ready to write your example.